So last year at CES, Lenovo brought Google Assistant onto a big screen with the Lenovo Smart Display, and now at CES 2019 it's downsizing parts of that experience into a smaller connected device for your nightstand. This is the Lenovo Smart Clock. It looks kinda like a shrunken down smart display, and it's designed to work, as the name suggests, like a smart alarm clock. The family resemblance is pretty clear here, not just with the Lenovo Smart Display but with Google's own smart home products as well. There's a fabric sleeve covering the sides and back, and subtle Lenovo branding around the top, along with your volume controls. Like the Smart Display, the outward-facing parts of the hardware are all about the display and the audio. The 4-inch LCD screen can go bright enough to not disturb you during the night, while the built-in 6-watt speaker lands somewhere between a Google Home and Google Home Mini in terms of volume and bass. The screen is designed to show you minimal distractions while it's not in use, in contrast to the Smart Display which has a lot of ambient functions, so most of the time you'll just see one of a few built-in clock faces. We saw 3 demoed here at CES, including this neat one with numbers that move as the hours and minutes progress. And we're sure there'll be more to come when the Smart Clock launches. Around the back, power connector, USB-A out for charging your phone, and a physical mic switch for privacy. And since this device is going to live in your bedroom, there is of course no camera included for obvious reasons. In terms of features, the main thing the Smart Clock can't do is stream video direct to its own display, which makes sense in the context of what this device is. But it can act as a Chromecast target for audio, and it can initiate a video stream on another device like a Chromecast-enabled TV. It can also do pretty much anything a Google Home can do, with some interesting additions around your bedtime and wake-up routines. Like the Google Pixel Stand, the Smart Clock can gradually brighten its display over 30 minutes leading up to the alarm, and snoozing the alarm when it sounds is as simple as a quick double tap. And through integration with Google Assistant, it can show you your appointments and commute when you wake up, or help you wind down with your favourite playlist before sleep. So look, this isn't a complicated product by any means. It's a thoughtful extension of a device like a Google Home Mini, with features that are perfect for a nightstand-based connected device. For many of us, something smaller, cheaper, and less intrusive than a Lenovo Smart Display or a Google Home Hub will make a lot of sense. And the price should also ensure Lenovo will be able to shift a lot of these things when they go on sale this spring. At just $80, it's more of an impulse buy even than the Google Home Hub, and its more compact size, plus a more focused feature set, might actually be a plus for a lot of people. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more from CES here in Las Vegas, and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of our coverage here in 2019. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.